সিরিয়াস
my results, and the link was very slow, the net was very slow. I couldn't see my results as well, and my teacher suddenly called me that you got the first position. So I was shocked, like how can I get the first position? I did not expect to get any position also, like first position. I was completely shocked. Then when I came to school, I saw the environment. It really, I was very happy that I could make my school proud and take the legacy that my seniors started and take the school flag fly high. Future plans is that I want to pursue physics as my major and do BSc, and then after that maybe I'll try for going to the research background in space science maybe.
So, how many hours did you spend for your studies to get this position?
It will be, I have never calculated it, but it's not 10-15 hours, not like that. It's way below that, maybe below 8 hours also, not even 8. So what's my target was not to study for long hours, study few hours so that you get the concept right. Because if you can get the concept correct, hours doesn't matter.
Then, did you go for tuition or?
Yes, I took tuition for physics and chemistry.
So what about your teachers? How did they help you in?
My teachers always supported me. Whenever I went with them with any doubts or with any questions, they were always ready. They were eagerly ready to help me. So the teachers here are really amazing. They will always help you no matter what happens. Really thankful for them that they helped me so much, and the success behind getting the first position, it's the teachers. They motivated me a lot.
What about your parents?
Parents, they also help me. They always keep me motivating that try your best such that you can take the school name forward, you can make your school proud. So that is what I'm very happy that I could keep the expectations.
So what is your message to your junior?
The message is simple: always believe in yourself that you can do it, be dedicated, be disciplined, and always keep a consistency with your studies, because that is what will eventually lead to success.
First of all, I'm really grateful to be in this position. I wouldn't have been in this position without my teachers, without my school, without my friends, without my family. They supported me every day. Even when I told them that I was facing difficulties, they were like, it's fine, you can do it. So it's all because of them. Thank you.
Okay, so what is your future plan?
My future plan is to do BCom, and alongside I'll do competitive exam.
So how your preparation in this commerce exam plus 12?
At first, I didn't expect to be on top, like to get top one, but then my teacher told me, she called me and she was like, oh, you got top one. I was so shocked that I started crying. I didn't know how to react. So I'm really I didn't expect it at first, but it's all because of my hard work, God. Thank you to God and my teachers.
Okay, we see when you pursue your BA, BSc, MCom, BCom, so you need to exam CUET.
Oh, I have to.
So how you prepare?
To prepare CET, you can just go to YouTube channel and search for teachers. They'll give you free education there. YouTube is the best education platform.
Okay, what is the message you want to give to the other student to pursue this?
Work hard, you can do it. You can do this. It's fine. You'll face difficulties. It's part of life. But you can do it.
Okay. Do it. So you can tell your name, please.
My name is Ferry Pilari Shaw.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Lemtri.
Okay.